Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Amanda McGregor. I'm the founder and CEO here at Luxury House Search. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow us on Instagram at Luxury House Search. Here at Luxury House Search, we are the premier real estate team to help you throughout your real estate experience. If you're looking to rent, buy, or sell here in Los Angeles, or you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, make sure you visit us at luxuryhousesearch.com and one of our luxury specialists would love to help you. Hancock Park was developed in the 1920s by the Hancock family with profits earned from oil drilling in the former Rancho La Brea. The area owes its name to developer philanthropist George Allen Hancock, who subdivided the property in the 1920s. There are many celebrities who reside here in Hancock Park. Judy Greer, Manny Pacquiao, Nat King Cole, Shonda Rhimes are just to name a few. It's actually very common to see celebrities throughout Hancock Park, especially Launchmart Village. If you've ever been to Launchmart Village, you know there are tons of cafes, cool trendy restaurants, bakeries, and boutique shops and more. There's so much stuff to do. It's great for sightseeing or just to chill and roam around and shop. I highly recommend you guys check out this area if you have not visited this yet. Also, if you are looking for hotspots here in Los Angeles, make sure you click on the link below and subscribe to our newsletter. We send out newsletters every week. Windsor Square is known for its gigantic mansions and lush greenery. It's located in a small historic neighborhood in the Wilshire region of Los Angeles. I love the fact that Hancock Park is extremely diverse now. In the past, it was a little bit more of an older crowd, but a lot more younger people are moving into this area as well as younger families. And why not? Hancock Park is, in my opinion, one of the safest neighborhoods in Los Angeles. I've had the pleasure of being a part of the Windsor Square Hancock Park Historical Society. This is an organization where many of the homeowners are involved, and they actually have annual home tours every year. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we're not having it this year, but every single year we have an annual home tour, and you don't only get to see inside some of these houses, but you have volunteers who are explaining the history behind these houses as well as the architects and the history of the neighborhood. So you're learning so much, and I had the opportunity to host, and I had an incredible time. This is actually the house that I helped and I volunteered for, and it was an amazing experience. I highly recommend you do it. Hopefully everything works out and we can do it next year. I learned so much, so I highly recommend you give it a go. It's called the Annual Home Tour, and again, if you want more information about this, make sure you visit WindsorSquareHancockPark.com. Throughout this neighborhood, there are tons of different architectural styles that are just incredible, and they're timeless pieces. Some of these homes are just magnificent, and these homes are so incredible that in this area, developers, builders, even homeowners themselves have to go through certain precautions in order to change the exterior of their home. As always, we had to throw in a luxury real estate market update on Hancock Park. Here's the Hancock Park market overview. In November 2020, the median list price of homes in Hancock Park was $5 million, trending up 117.6% year over year. The median list price per square foot was $906. The median sale price was $2.2 million. Out of all these styles, let us know what is your favorite style and why down in the comment section below. any of the homes we listed, make sure you reach out to us at luxuryhousesearch.com, or you could email us at info@luxuryhousesearch.com and we can schedule a private showing for you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Amani McGregor. Let us know if you've ever visited Hancock Park and what are your thoughts on it. Do you like it? Would you ever live here? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and make sure you subscribe. Shout out to all our current subscribers. We appreciate the endless love and support, and we will see you in our next video.